kicking that back, bouncing back.
Stop the music.
Yo, bro got black and white like.
Just click on F7 like me, and then you're gonna navigate the cam, the free cam, with your right click on the mouse and the arrow keys. Yeah, you see that? So how do you leave the cam? Just click on your controller. Okay, my brothers, now I'm gonna show you how to set the free cam and Assetto Corsa. Yeah. So first off, you click on Explorer. After that, go to your local driver. Then you click on Programs 86. So here you find Steam. Click on Steam. Then you're gonna search again Steam apps. Okay. Do not click on Steam because there you'll find nothing. Steam apps. After Steam apps, on Common. Then Assetto Corsa, System, and CFG. Okay. So after that, you click on Assetto Corsa. Now here's the shit where it gets interesting. Yeah. So here you're just gonna search the AC apps. Okay, just delete the 0 and type in 1, yeah? Okay, after you type in 1, just do nothing. Scroll a little bit down and search again. Oh fuck, where's the shit? Here, camera. Allow free camera, yeah? Just delete again the 0 and type in the 1. Yeah, the 1. Very important. Then you're just gonna click here on close, okay, and click on save, okay. When you did that, oh my god, you can speak English, oh my god. After that, you close everything and play, I don't know. Assetto Corsa.